Welcome to the Crypto Nest. So I want to do an analysis on Polkadot. So we were doing this downtrend channeling, I think since, if I take this spot, maybe April this year, descending, and now we are kind of off attempting to break this downtrend, also descending triangle. So if I zoom in here, we can see that, let me see more in detail. So we had honestly 3 candles that tried to break out. The first one was in green, we just tipped out. The second one was barely, the candle was out of the trend, but you can see that the bulls and bears, they were fighting and no one really was winning. And the third one, where the bear won, and after that they succeeded, and they succeeded to bring the price down. After that, lower. Then when was the last time? It was in July. In July, you can see that the bulls tried and had the momentum, and after that, we did touch twice, wick out from the downtrend channeling, and after that the bear took back position. As you can see, this was a strong pushback, and after that, yeah, the bulls, unfortunately, they lost once again. And now we go, actually let me click here, so we go straight to today. So this time it's a little bit different, right? Because first of all, we are having this candle fully closed, barely out of the trend, and now we actually shouldn't be refreshing this thing. Anyway, so if that's 4, that's 8, we should have soon another candle. It means that we're going to have 2 candles out of the trend. For sure now it's too early. Ideally, what we want, well, since this is third wave and we're so near by reaching the ideal extension of the third wave, if DOT can reach the $11.10 would be honestly perfect. And after that, it would be also, I don't know, really perfect if price, go here, touch the 1.618, can go even higher, I'm not complaining. After that, we need a wave 4, right? So we do an A, a B, and a C. We sit a little bit on this downtrend, and after that, we are ready to go to do the 5th wave. Looks like a S. Sorry about that. Okay, so this would be ideal. And now those are projections, so we just need to be aware of these levels. So first of all, we want to price continue to go higher and reach $11.10, and after that we need to have that pullback. Now it's the 4 hours, you can see that we are oversold, momentum is still good. Now let's go and see on the daily. Daily, as you can see, we start, okay, so the RSI value is 69.5, so 70 start to be oversold. We can be there for a while on the oversold level, so there is no problem. So we have enough fuel to go and reach this third wave level, ideally. Can go even higher. Momentum also on the daily, it's good, so nothing tell me that within these 5-10 days or that we are going to make a major dump, right? When we start to see RSI go lower and then momentum is in decline, then we can say, okay, now we're doing the 4th wave. Allegedly, and I say allegedly because we need to be aware that maybe, maybe DOT is not ready to get out from this trend, and that is just going to make another lower low. That's also possible, and then after that maybe he's going to go for it. So these are the options, so we need to be aware now of these levels. So once again, sometimes it's important to do some micro counting just to have an idea. Are we having 5 waves or we're having 3 waves? Because for a moment, if I go to the Actually, no, before that. Also, I want to point out, if we manage to have 5 waves up, you can see that the MA 200 it's here and the MA 50 it's here. So if MA 50 continue to go like this, and the third wave really able to go and reach the 1.618 fib, and after that we're going to make this corrective movement, and after that we make the fifth wave, maybe we're going to coincide all in these points, which is going to be the fifth wave ideal level of about $12.30. We're going to have also the Fibonacci extension and the MA 200. So that's going to be honestly a strong resistance that I don't believe we will be ready to break, because once again the RSI, because of the fourth wave, is going to go lower, and then for the fifth wave is going to go like so, and after that DOT, you need to have a nice rest and recharge, and then we need something like that, right? So by doing this, what I mean, do I mean I'm bearish? Not at all, because after that we can do an A, a B, and a C, and after that, when we do the Fibonacci retracement and price really start reacting these levels, then this is going to be the bigger wave 1, and this is going to be the wave 2, and we're ready finally for the bigger movement for the third wave. Now I know this is more theoretical, but this is what we can prepare to expect if we have 5 waves. Now I want to go on the 4 hours. And this is why it's important sometimes to, for sure, positive thinking, third wave, let's go there. But, for a moment, we can also say that we are only having a wave A, a wave B, and a wave C. So this starts to be interesting, because if we start to reach this level, and after that we have a pullback, then we can estimate the Fibonacci retracement. So let's say, for example, let's take for granted that actually DOT is going to go and reach the $11.10, then I take my Fibonacci retracement for the wave 4, and I know that price cannot go lower than $10.12. If it does, it starts to invalidate the count, and the official invalidation point, actually let me keep that, is going to be $8, I think about 85 or something like that. So this is going to be the invalidation point, because wave 4 cannot go into the level of the first wave. So if that happens, we are going to invalidate this bullish count, and means we're going to go more for the bearish one. So this is why it's important to make some projections and see if we reach these targets, and after that on the pullback we can see, is it really going to be a wave 4, or this is just a B, a C, and now we're going lower. So this is how we try to analyze the direction of a stock or a crypto and confirm the direction. So for a moment the bigger trend is down, so we really need 5 way up, and when we get that, we start to have maybe an idea that maybe the trend is reversed, but we also need 3 wave down and really wait for the levels that really stop, and we can see price action into the bigger wave 2 corrective movement. Then we can start to say, okay, now I have 5 way up, I have 3 wave down, and now price is reacting to this level. Now I'm more bullish. All right. Anyway, I have the feeling that I always keep repeating the same things, but this is how it works. And actually, maybe there is new members that don't really know how Elliott Wave works, so that's why I repeat it often. Alright, so this is pretty much all for Polkadot. Now I do have Polkadot, so I have some core position that I hold for quite a while. I'm not scared, but if I see 5 way up, I am going definitely to wait for the 3 wave down pullback, and I will accumulate a little bit more. Okay, so hopefully you enjoy the video. Please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell, and have a good day.